Hi guys, and welcome to another Bootstrap Blueprints video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been putting this little site together here. We threw it together with the fantastic Blueprint software here. We put the wireframe together in about 5 minutes. Really useful piece of software. You can download it from a link below this video, and there's also an 80% off coupon for it if you want to use that. So we put together the header and a few other features here, videos, and we shrank this section the other day. What I'm going to do today is we're going to do a download button. We're going to work on these, but I've got one done here to show you. When you click on the button, it'll download a file. It's pretty easy to do. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to undo what I've got going on here. Okay, so here's our site folder. Our root folder, if you will, the index file, which is the file that was output from our Blueprint software here. And we've just been adding the images that we've added to the site and the logo for the actual site. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab these images and create a zip file, because for file download it's a good idea to use zip files. And boot zip, that's fine, I'll leave it as called that. In fact, I'll change that to a small b. There it is right there. So all I have to do now is link our actual button to this file, which is a boot.zip file, and it'll download it. I'm doing it locally in my browser, but once you upload the site online, which we'll do later on in the series, it'll download it from there in exactly the same way. So I'm going to open this file with a text editor. You're going to need a text editor if you're using this software. Brackets is free, and you can download it from a link below this video also. But any text editor will do if you have one. Okay, so here we are. We're at the actual button there. We had these images revolving here, and it's got a little download button there. So I thought, let's link it so these download buttons download the images from the site. And to find this easily, you can do a search in your text editor. The title we just saw was my Bootstrap site. And there we are, it's highlighted it for us right there. Fantastic. So we know this is where the cards are. And each one, carousel item, when you click on the opening div, it'll show you the closing div. And all we have to do is go and find the button, which is right here that says download. Let's change it to download image. Or images. And at the moment it's just linking to bootstrap.com, which is where the Blueprints software comes from. So we need to put in the link to our actual zip file, which was called boot. As soon as I start typing, it should find it, because there it is, boot zip. It's in our root folder. If not, just type in boot.zip. And let's just copy this and do the same for, in fact, if we copy that to the end, we'll do that overwrite for the other buttons too. Paste it in there, and we'll paste it in just down below. That should do it. I think there's only 3 of them. Save, Control S to save. Let's go back to our site and refresh. You won't see any change there. But now when I click on the download images button, it should download our images. And there we are. Make sure the next ones are going to work. There we go. It's downloaded 3 versions for us. Make sure we can unzip it. Here's the downloaded zip file. Let's just unzip it. And there are your images. Really easy. So that's how to create a download file with your buttons using the fantastic Bootstrap 4, using the Blueprint software here. I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.